Crude oil last week has posted a very strong recovery coming off from the lows close to 66.5 levels. I have mentioned very clearly that these levels are going to remain stronger support levels here for crude oil. See, this is the fourth to fifth time we have seen oil prices reversing from the same. Also, now on the upside we have stronger resistance at 72.573. So what can we expect from oil in the coming week? Can we expect oil prices to break beyond 72.573, move towards 75 or higher levels, or this is just one retracement and a possibility of further crashes there? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil WTI in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and this is the only channel to give you daily updates. In fact, twice a day updates for crude oil with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and logical levels for you to take a trade and trade with profit and trade with confidence. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, start with the 4-hour charts, and yes, towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do watch till the end. Now, when you look at the 4-hour charts for oil, see after the rise, it is trading in this moderate bullish channel, and that is where 71.5, 71.6 levels will come into picture, because beyond this, it may deliver another round of rise towards 72, 72.5 levels, and then in fact, higher levels are going to be there where we can aspire for oil to move towards 75 levels here. The crossover in the moving averages is a very good sign for the bull. And if you notice, every dip it has taken the support from the 20 period, and now 69.4, 69.5 is the support which it should not break, because any break below this is to be treated for a sign of reversal, and specifically below 68.8 is where you can consider that oil has turned bearish, else it is still not to be treated bearish for the coming week. Very important point here. 68.8 is the first support zone, 67.8 is the second support zone. I do not see it breaking below this, but these are markets here. See, stochastic is starting to rise, the MACD is also rising, and notice that MACD has formed good waves. It has formed a triple bottom and rising here, so good bullish signs are here. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, I have shared several times. Look at the triple bottom levels and see after the drop, it is staying in the box. It is to come out of this box in order to confirm a reversal here. Now, hitting the lows, it is aspiring to hit the highs, which means there is a possibility that oil might head towards 72.5 and 73 as the first target. And then once it trades above 73, we are looking forward to for it to fill the gap at 75 levels here. Beyond 75, any point of time, if oil trades beyond 76, now that is the point of time we can say now this is a vertical rise where we are looking forward for it to break beyond 78 and 80 zone as well. Yes, the possibility is high. Why? It has formed a very strong support, which is definitely a good sign for the bulls, and a breakout here should take it towards the highs where we can in fact aspire for 84, 85 as well. Stochastic is back to overbought zone. Look at the MACD on the daily charts. Rise retracement, double bottom here, crossover should lead to a stronger rise here. So what we are looking at, rise retracement, and now the crossover here can lead to massive bullish momentum here in oil prices. RSI is rising as well. So far it appears on the 4-hour charts and daily charts that the coming week is going to be interesting, and a possible breakout here on the upside beyond 73 and 76 is where the bulls are waiting, where in fact you can aspire for 78, and this could become the reversal zone for crude oil, where we can look forward to a massive rally in making here for crude oil prices. But right now, see this, that was just on the 4-hour charts and daily charts. When you look at the weekly chart, see first of all, look at this drop, retracement, drop, and see it is consolidated enough here. Moving averages are trading with divergence. It is very important for prices to trade above the zone, first at 77, 78, and if it trades above this zone, it is very very crucial for it to break beyond 85. Now see, the more time it spends at around this zone, the stronger this zone becomes, and thus only bearishness in oil prices in the near future is only below 65. Yes, now the more time it invests here, the more time it spends here, the stronger the rise is going to be mindful of this. What has happened in the last week? We have seen a stronger candle here. Now at least it must try to move towards the 20 period, and this also makes this zone at 72.5 is very very critical zone. Beyond 72.5 we have to be cautious till 73. And now once it trades beyond 73, divide this into two, find the symmetry. Once it trades beyond 73, what we are looking at least 78 here. So first it may try to fill the gap at 74.5, 75, which is the first target, and then 76, which is the next. Beyond 76, stay bullish. We are looking forward to in fact 78, 79 very very soon, if not in the coming week. But it appears that oil prices might set to show a reversal and a strong show here in the coming week. Be mindful of this. Stochastic has hit the lows, trying to bounce back. It can post a recovery here on the weekly charts. That is what it confirms. And when you see the MACD, now interestingly, what we had seen on the daily charts for MACD, the same is replicated here for on the weekly charts. First bottoming here, then the rise, retracement, and now it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover is what I am waiting for, because this will lead to a bullishness for the near term and for the mid term in the oil prices, which suggests that again I am already in the favor of a rise and the bulls here in oil prices. Only thing is uh, waiting for a breakout here. So the coming week is going to be very very important, where it may confirm the direction it wants to take. RSI looking upwards, again a good sign for the bulls. Coming to the month. Now, when you see the monthly charts, remember what oil has done. Oil has hit higher lows, or almost the lows we had seen. It has just fallen shy of hitting that or breaching the preceding month's lows. Hitting the lows, now it is on the path of recovery. Now remember what were the preceding few candles. These were three strong bearish candles. Now it is on the path of recovery, and thus I expect that the coming week is going to be strongly bullish for crude oil, where the prices are set to move towards 75, 78 zone here. The possibility is very very high. As far as my expectation goes, I expect oil to close the month at around 76 here. This is the point you should keep a note of. Yes. And the second thing is, again, the support levels here are very very strong on the downside. And remember what is happening after three bearish candle, possibility of a reversal. It can try to move towards the high, where we can expect it to move towards 76, 78. And if it breaks this, we are looking forward to a stronger breakout in the next few months, where oil prices are set to soar here, set to rise here, set to rally here. And the year 2025 is something is which is going to be very very critical here. Stochastic at bottom on the monthly charts. Now very very interesting, the MACD here. MACD is trading with this wave, and it is just not showing a crossover. We have to wait for a crossover. I have been waiting for this since last few months. It is just it has just kept me waiting. I will wait for this crossover, and then the oil prices are ready to soar towards the moon, and this might happen in the year 2025. This is one indication which definitely suggests there is lot much to come for crude oil in the year 2025. RSI has dropped here and is trading at a comfortable zone. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy for the coming week. See, 71.4, 71.6 is the zone you should watch out for. Once it breaks beyond this, buy for 72, then 72.5, and then 73. Now, once it trades above 73, just stay bullish. The next target is 74.5 and 75.1. Once it stays beyond 75.1, stay bullish for 75.8. And if that is taken, 75.8, 76 is taken, stay bullish. The next target is towards 77.2 and 78. If it can drop sharp, it can recover sharp as well, though a move towards 78 appears to be difficult, at least in the coming week. But yes, possible in the near future, though coming week I think it is going to be difficult. But yes, a rise towards 75 and 76 cannot be denied here. Be mindful, it can give you a gap up itself, so take your trades accordingly. On the downside, ideally, I will recommend for you to wait till towards 70.4, 70.6 zone to be taken here. And in fact, even if it drops below this, 70 is the first target, and then 69.4, 69.6 zone. Very, very crucial support exists here. Below this, 68.8 is the prime support. If at any point of time you see oil trading below 68.8, you can expect more bearishness here towards 68.2, 67.8, the next support zone. And a drop below 67.8 is the only sign of bearishness towards 67, then 66.5, and then 66. Chances for such a correction appears to be less here. I am still with the bulls here. We can expect a rise. This is my expectation. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.